Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset channel. In this episode, I'll show you the ports and buttons on the LAGENIO Rhino X1 phone. Let's start with the back of our device. On the back, we find a speaker here at the top and a second speaker here at the bottom. These are stereo speakers. We also have a flashlight here. It's a powerful LED lamp. There's also a second flashlight here, which is of course weaker, and two cameras. Now let's move to the right edge of our device. Here you'll find the volume up button and the volume down button for our phone. Right at the very bottom of the device, you'll find the physical power button situated along with the integrated fingerprint scanner. So, if you decide to add your unique fingerprint, this specific area is where you'll be able to scan it easily by simply pressing down on the power button. Moving further down the frame, here you'll find a standard USB Type-C port, which is primarily used for charging your phone's battery and quickly transferring files to other external devices. We first need to carefully remove this protective rubber cover, and once that is done, here we can clearly see it. This is a USB Type-C 2.0, and with this port, we can charge our phone and transfer files. We can also transfer other items or connect to other devices using this port. As for charging, we can charge this phone with a power of 33 watts. Moving on. Next to our charging port, right here, there is a small hole. That hole is the microphone of our phone. Now let's move to the right edge. The left edge. Here. On the left edge, there is a red button. With this red button, we can activate various things. Because this specific button is completely customizable and programmable by us in the NDDP. And within the phone's internal settings menu, we can easily choose exactly which specific function this button will perform whenever it is pressed. Located just slightly above this button, you will also find the dedicated SIM card slot right here. You also need to pry it open here with your fingernail and pull it out. And here you have the option to insert two SIM cards. We have dual SIM here, and on the other side, you can also expand the memory with a microSD card. Right at the very top of our smartphone, you will notice there is a dedicated second microphone. This specific microphone, of course, is primarily designed for active noise cancellation from your immediate surroundings during video recording or standard phone calls. Now, looking here at the front of the device, in this exact spot, you will also find the integrated earpiece for clear phone calls, as well as the high-resolution selfie camera for your photos. If this video was helpful to you, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That's all from me. I'll say goodbye now. Bye.